Hi, this is Andy Doctor. Today I'm going to show you a maintenance that you should do in your plumbing system probably at least once a month to ensure that it doesn't get clogged sometimes. As you can see, this is the sink in my kitchen, but other one will be the same. You want to have hot water as hot as possible and as much as possible. You see, the smoke coming up with this hot water, and basically you collect a whole lot of water and you just unplug it and let the water flowing down. The swirling of the water together with the high temperature will basically trace all the dirt, the debris inside your plumbing system and let them go into the bigger pipe so it doesn't get clogged. And like I said, you should do this probably at least once a month, and hopefully your plumbing system will work every time. You don't need to spend the money on it. And you know what, when it clogs, it's not just the money, it's really awful. Anyhow, if you think you learned something useful from me today, please make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.